these are daily time frame. So we're going to start from the daily time frame, looking at what we have here. If you look at this level here, you get to see that we have a lot of price imbalance here, and now price is pushing up a little bit. So what we are expecting is price to get to this level of our order block here, and then once price get to this level of our order block, we're going to be anticipating for something like this. Price get to this level of our order block, and then we get to see price decline. So if you look at this shaded area here, these are level of our equilibrium. So if you pull the fib like this, you get to see that we have the level of our equilibrium at this level here. These are equilibrium level of the order block. So let me just remove this. So what we are waiting for is price to get to this level here of our daily order block. So if we go to a smaller time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, just to refine our entry, if you look at our 4-hour time frame, there is something interesting. We have a lot of price imbalance at this level here. Remember, this whole area, if we go to a bigger time frame, this is the area of our order block. Okay, so but if we get to the smaller time frame, we get to see an order block within the daily order block. Okay, so this is the line of our daily order block. So if you look at here, you get to see something interesting here. So we have price creating a lot of liquidity void, push up a little bit, try to close it, but somehow it failed and continue to go down. Okay, so what we're going to be anticipating for now, when price get to this level here, we go to a smaller time frame, we look for sell profiles. Okay, so we're going to be looking for sell profiles. We need price to confirm to us that indeed it is going down. Okay, so it's either we're going to be looking for mitigation block to be formed within a smaller time frame, 5 minutes or 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or even 1 hour, just a smaller time frame other than H4. So we're going to be looking for all those things, mitigation breakers at this level to form, or even the market just forming lower lows. Okay, because if the market forms lower lows, it simply indicates that there is a shift in market structure. So we might see price continuing to go down at this level. But if you don't get to see anything at this level here, don't worry. It simply means one thing: we might see price just continue to go up and get to this level here. Okay, so what you can do, if you get to see price getting to this level here and it gives you sell profiles here, so what you're going to be putting your stop loss is this level here. Don't put your stop loss here, you can put your stop loss here. Okay, so that you get to reduce your risk. If price happens to take you out, it's okay, you can catch this move here. Or if you are comfortable, you can just make your entry here and put your stop loss here. But the problem why I don't recommend it is because if price gets to this level here and then it push up and take you up, you have a huge amount that you have risk, a huge number of pips that you have risk. So it's better to wait for price to get to this level and see what price does at this level here. Okay, so wait for sell profiles at this level, wait for price to confirm that we are going down. Okay, so that's it. You wait for price to confirm that we are going down, or what we're gonna be looking at is something like this that I've seen price doing a lot. That's why when price get to this level, if it just go down a little bit, make sure that you protect, because I've seen price getting to this level of an order block. If you have two order block like this, it might get to this level of an order block, our daily order block, respect it, and then do something like this. Okay, so that's actually how stop runs are being formed. Get to this level of an order block here, respect it a little bit, and then push up a little bit, taking out all the stops that are resting here. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind when you have two order blocks like this. Okay, we might see price doing just something like this, get to this level, pull down a little bit, and then quickly go up and get to this level, and then you get to see price giving you a structure like this. So just keep in mind, but either way, we just want price to get to this level here or either this level, and we take advantage of it. So without